Addition within 1000. This is the second chapter of mathematics textbook grade 2. This is the second lesson of week 5 and the topic for today's lesson is addition with carrying or regrouping along with word problems. Objectives for today's lesson are to make a sum with the help of given numbers in the statement, to solve the given word problems. Alright children, let's start a lesson with mental starter. Very simple activity you have to do. Based on apparatus is illustrated over here and you have to make the respective numbers and then add these numbers. But this time you have to make the numbers with hundreds, with 3 digits. As the place values are identified at the top, so it will make your work more easier. You know how to write down the units and how to write down the tens and where the hundreds will be placed. What's the first number? Yes, 100, 5 tens and 3 units. It makes 153. And the second number is 167. Now add up these numbers. Yes, you will regroup. Yes, and the answer is 320. Correct. Well, carrying on mental starter with another activity, you have to add up the given number this time without an illustration, and you know that units, tens and hundreds, the place value so very well. You can identify the place value at the top of each digit and you have to add it up via regrouping. Take your time. Yes, the first question is 285 plus 349. Yes, first add up the units, then the tens, then the hundreds. Regroup the numbers if this is required. What's the answer for first question? 285 plus 349. Yes, the answer is 634. The second sum is 367 plus 485. Yes, regrouping will be done over here as well at units place as well as at tens place. And the answer will be 852. If your answers has been matched the same way, it's a good job. As you know children, that the topic for today's lesson is word problems. So let's watch a relevant video and this will make your understanding more clear. So let's start.
Hello children, how wonderful to see you. Today we are learning to solve addition word problems where you see addition in the real world. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Emily has 6 dolls. Amanda has 2 dolls. How many dolls do they have altogether? I give you some time to find the answer by yourself. Let's find the answer together. Emily has 6 dolls. Amanda has 2 dolls. We add 6 and 2 to find the number of dolls they have altogether. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. We conclude Emily and Amanda have 8 dolls altogether. Question 2. 5 ducklings are swimming in a lake. 3 more ducklings join them. How many total ducklings are swimming in the lake? I give you some time to find the answer by yourself. Let's find the answer together. 5 ducklings are swimming in the lake. 3 more ducklings join them. we add 5 and 3 to find the total number of ducklings swimming in the lake. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. We conclude total 8 ducklings are swimming in the lake. So we've solved some word problems. Notice these keywords altogether, total, they tell you to add. Often, you may see other keywords that also tell you to add, such as some, in all, both, and combined.
Let's discuss this example from page number 42 of textbook. And the question states, Sarah has 34 red pins and 245 yellow pins. How many pins does she have altogether? Yes, there are two numbers given, one for red pins and one for yellow pins. First of all, you will make the statements. Yellow pins are 245, red pins are 34, and all together you will make a sum on the very right side of your notebook. That's the working area, and at the end, after adding up the given sum, you will write down the answering statement at the end of the given question. And there are 279 pins altogether. Alright children, let's do some more practice for word problems. The given question is, Sana has 145 cherries in her basket and Sarah has 257 cherries in her basket. How many cherries do they have altogether? Yes, you know the rules of word problems or the steps of word problems. First of all, you will make the statements for the given numbers, and then you will make a sum with the help of given numbers. Yes, and at the end you will write down the answer in the form of an answering statement. Yes, sum is always made within the working area. So start with the working of the given question. Two numbers are given to you. Make two statements and then make a sum with the help of these numbers, 145 and 257. Yes, what's the sum of these two numbers? Yes, 402. They have 402 cherries altogether. Correct answer. Well, I hope that the concept of word problems is quite clear to you and you can do the given task independently. This is page number 42 and 43 of mathematics textbook. Alright students, moving towards the wrap-up session of the lesson, you have to solve the given question. The question states there are 247 red flowers in the garden and 253 yellow flowers. How many flowers are there altogether? Yes, very simple. Make the statement, make a sum and find out the answer. Two very simple, two very easy. Yes, two numbers are given, make two statements. Yes, and make a sum with the help of these numbers, 247 plus 253. What's the answer? Yes, 500. There are in total 500 flowers in the garden. Correct answer. Good job. Now moving ahead towards the reinforcement task, which will be done as homework as well. There are two questions given regarding word problems and you have to do these questions within the notebooks. The first one states there are 207 boys in first row and 327 girls in second row. How many students are there altogether? And the second one states Hamna had 107 pins. She bought 125 more. How many pins Hamna has altogether? Students, you know the steps of word problems. First of all, write down the statements, then make a sum with the help of the given numbers, and then write down the answer in the form of a statement. So I hope, rather I'm sure that you can do it very easily. This is not at all difficult for you. So take good care of yourself and study well.